Hello everybody. Today I am going to teach you creation of Numpy array from list. Creation of Numpy arrays from list you are going to learn. There are several ways to create arrays. To create an array and to use its methods, first we need to import the Numpy library. This point should be noted that whenever you want to create an array, you need to use Numpy library or import the Numpy library. But what are the array? Array are collection of data or a list. Another name of array is list. So whenever you want to create a list and you want to store in computer or in Python, which library you will use? You need to import Numpy library. Okay. Numpy is loaded as NP. We can assign any name. Numpy must be written in lowercase. But there are some rules while you are importing Numpy. The first rule is that you can use any name in place of NP. Okay. And second thing, Numpy must be written in lowercase only. If you use capital letter, any of the letter is capital, then it will create an error. Okay, so be careful. On cell, what you need to type? Import numpy as np. Import adjective numpy adjective, and in place of np, you can write any word. Actually, it is a identifier. Okay. The numpy array function converts a given list into an array, for example. So we need to use another function, and this function is array function. Okay. Create an array called array1 from the given list. You need to type a command on the cell array1 is equal to np.array 10 20 30. 10 20 30 is a list. In place of 10 20 20 30, you can type any data. You are free. You can increase the number of items, decrease the number of items. In place of integer, you can take float or whatever you want. Okay. Display the contents of the array. But how will you know that your list is prepared? It is stored in the cell. It is stored in the computer. So there is a printing method of the array. Simply you need to write the name of the array, array1 in front of the cell. Okay. Now it printed array 10 20 30. Okay. Now let's go to the IDE and run these codes and find out the output. Now I am opening Python. Okay. First of all, I need to import numpy as np. Okay. Now I need to create array. What is the name of array? Array1 is equal to np.array parenthesis list 10 20 30 40 parenthesis closed. First of all, bracket closed, then parenthesis. How will you print the array? Type simply the name of the array, array1. List is printed 10 20 30 40. Let's create another array, but this time I am importing numpy as tk. Okay. because I can choose any identifier, so I'm using pk. Now I'm creating array. I'm giving the array name list. List equal to pk dot array, pk dot array list apple ball cat. List is closed and this is closed. List command is successfully ran. Now print the list. What you need to type? The name of the array. Name of the array is list. Press the enter key. See, our array is printed. Array ball cat and we type is U5. I hope you have understood what is Numpy, what is array, how we can use Numpy and its identifier, how we can create an array with the help of Numpy, how to make the list, how we can print the list on the screen on Python cell. Everything you have learned. Okay, you have to revise in your computer. You need to run all the commands on your computer. If you face any problem, you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you very much.